In this video, we're going to be learning about how we can organize assets into a folder structure. Similar to how folders for your PC help you organize related content, Liferay DXP's folders can help us organize both files and web content. We can access the Documents and Media repository through the Site Administration panel. Users will need the appropriate permissions to access, update, view, delete, and perform other actions on folders. Liferay Sync, an add-on that allows us to sync files between Liferay DXP sites and desktop devices, can also be used to access the repository. Individual files can be uploaded to the Documents and Media repository by selecting the File Upload option. To import multiple files at once, we can select the Multiple Files Upload option. Once the files have finished uploading, we can then organize them using folders. File hierarchies can be created by adding subfolders beneath existing folders. Folder restrictions must be configured before workflow processes can be implemented. Workflow processes can be set for Documents and Media and web content. Restrictions can be set in the Structure Restrictions and Workflow section found in the Folders action menu. They allow us to specify the document types and structures that can be stored in the folder. In the same section, we can choose what workflow, if any, to use for approving files added to or edited in the folder. It's time for a knowledge check. Users can manage documents by creating and using folders. Multiple files can be imported into the Documents and Media repository. Create file hierarchies to organize your files by adding subfolders beneath your folders. Workflows can be applied through folder restrictions for both web content and Documents and Media.